In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use InVideo AI 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll be able to go from a blank screen to a polished, platform-ready video using AI quickly and confidently. First, head to the InVideo AI website. Click Sign Up, register with your email, or continue with Google, then log into your dashboard. This is your workspace, where every project starts and where you'll return to make updates later. From the dashboard, choose Create Video. If this is your first time, pick the AI video generator, which turns a simple prompt into a full video automatically. If you prefer to build everything by hand, choose the template editor for more manual control. Now craft your prompt, the most important part. Be specific about what you want. For example, you might ask for a TikTok promoting a beauty product with an aesthetic vibe, captions, and upbeat music, or request a 5-second YouTube intro with a logo reveal in a modern style. You can also ask for a motivational video with cinematic clips and bold subtitles. The clearer your prompt, the better the result. Include tone, audience, length, and any must-have elements. Before generating, set your key options. Choose the platform format, 9:16 for TikTok and Reels, or 16:9 for YouTube. Select your language, then pick a voiceover style that matches your brand and mood. Click Generate and give it a moment. InVideo AI will assemble a script, split it into scenes, add relevant clips, overlay text, and produce an AI voiceover. It's a complete draft you can refine. Move into editing to fine-tune, trim clips to tighten pacing, replace stock footage to better match your message, edit on-screen text for clarity, and adjust timing so visuals, captions, and voiceovers stay in sync. Keep text concise and legible within the safe area. Supercharge your workflow with AI commands. Type natural instructions like make this shorter, add subtitles, change music to energetic, or make it more engaging. The tool will update your video instantly based on your request. Don't skip captions, open text or subtitles, enable auto captions, and style them to be big, bold, and easy to read. Captions boost engagement and accessibility, especially for viewers watching without sound. Add audio polish. Choose background music, lower its volume so the voiceover stays clear,